In today's video, I'll show you how to create an intense opening where the video pulses like a heartbeat before fully revealing the scene. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the pulse sets the mood. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Heartbeat, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video pulses in and out briefly, creating tension and emotional impact. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the pulse feels. Shorter duration makes the beat sharp and intense. Longer duration slows it down, making it more dramatic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the pulse matches your audio or mood. And that's it. You've successfully added a heartbeat reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.